Hello everyone, welcome to our new Codatta platform. Today we will walk through the process of doing validation on the Codatta platform. After logging in, you will see our crypto frontier over here, and after clicking on Start, you will see our demos on how to do validation, submission, and professional submission. Check these out if this is your first time visiting our platform or trying the changes we've made with the platform. Now let's jump right into one of the validations here. After clicking on the module, a window will pop out asking, is the image or description related to the entity? Let's go ahead and check the info on the image and whether it matches what it says in the description and entity. They match, so let's go ahead and write a brief description and then click on Approve. And over here, where it says History, is where you will see the validations you have completed before. Thank you for watching this demo. Happy validating.